So NanoBanana Pro recently came out and it finally fixed character consistency and changed image editing forever. Everyone has already made a video about all the amazing things it can do for super precise editing, flawless text generation, and all its other use cases for image editing. And since Kling AI, which many call the NanoBanana for videos, just came out, I figured now is the perfect time to combine them both and see how much precision and control we can get. Kling AI has a brand new way of video editing that lets you make precise edits after your video is done. But to keep things simple, we will only look at the start and end frame control today. And all it takes is a simple 3-step process to bring your creative vision to life. First, I will show you how to create a complete character sheet with NanoBanana Pro on your very first try. Next, we will create the start and end frame for the video from the character sheet, and then we will use Kling AI to turn those start and end frames into full videos and see how good Kling AI really is at character consistency, prompt adherence, precision editing, and camera control. So let's dive right in. So step 1 is to create a character sheet in NanoBanana Pro from all angles, so we have all the reference images we need to make a great and consistent video in Kling AI. You can use any platform that has access to NanoBanana Pro, but for the purpose of this video I will be using acool.com. This is an all-in-one AI platform which gives you access to all of the latest AI tools and workflows all in one place. So you don't need to waste money on multiple subscriptions. You have image models, video models, and much more all in one place. Here I pick the NanoBanana Pro model and generate images in 4K in just a few seconds. Here is a prompt I gave to NanoBanana Pro of a cyberpunk girl, and it actually exceeded my expectations immediately. The results are really incredible. Usually I would use Midjourney to create my character sheet and then switch to Photoshop or NanoBanana for editing, but now with NanoBanana Pro it seems like you can just skip the Midjourney step. You can see how it nailed all angles and the close-ups while maintaining all proportions and features of the character perfectly. Now I will say that NanoBanana Pro gets the first draft right about 90% of the time, so it doesn't always do a flawless job, but even if you don't like your first result, you can always make edits. If you want to try this out and create alongside me, I have put a link in the description below. So after creating the character sheet, I created some more individual angles and expressions of my character, including weird camera angles for better references and when I really want to have full control over my animations. I have also included the prompts in the description below if you want to try them out for yourself. Now in this step, we're going to create our first frame. With the character sheet completed in the previous step, we can now use those reference images to generate the opening shot for our animation in Kling AI. All we do here is upload one of our anchor images into NanoBanana Pro and write a clear detailed prompt that describes the exact shot we want. To make this simple, here is the formula I use for all my first frame prompts. It includes the character action, the environment, camera direction, extra important details like lighting, colors, and styles, and lastly the character sheet reference, which actually ensures perfect consistency. Just filling these 5 pieces will give NanoBanana everything it needs to generate a clean, consistent first frame. And if you want this to be even easier, you can have ChatGPT write the prompt for you using that formula. Now I only had to do this once and pretty much got exactly what I wanted. It transported the vibe of the character into the rest of the scene pretty much perfectly. Now we have created our start frame. From here, we just run the exact same process again to create the end frame. You can use ChatGPT again if you want help with the prompt, or you just tell NanoBanana Pro what you want the end of the video to look like. It creates the prompt, NanoBanana creates the image, and you're done. And by the way, you can do this as many times as you want. You can create multiple different start and end frames and even entire storyboards. You can also put your character in different environments or situations. So now we have both the start frame and the end frame, and next we just have to turn it into a video with Kling AI. Now in step 3, we go into Kling AI and we switch to the frames tab. Here here we upload our start frame as frame 1 and our end frame as frame 2. I just wrote this simple sentence: the girl jumps from the spaceship on top of the car. Now let's look at what we got. So this worked perfectly already, and now let's look at how the other start and end frames I generated previously turned out. Here we have the girl jumping from a rooftop down into an alley and then running towards the camera. And here we have her analyzing glowing graffiti on a wall. And in this one we have her hacking into a computer system, and it actually turned out decent. Lastly, we have her running on a moving train. And pretty much all of these turned out perfect on the first try. So let's recap this simple 3-step workflow real quick. So the first one, create a full character sheet from all angles so your character is perfectly locked in. Next, use the character sheet to generate a clear start frame and end frame with the nanobanana prompt. And lastly, upload start and end frames into Kling AI. Add one simple sentence describing the action in between and let it animate the shot for you. And that's the full workflow. nanobanana Pro gives you insane consistency. Kling AI turns your frames into smooth animations, and together you can build almost any scene you can think of. If you want all the prompts, formulas and character sheet templates I used today, they're linked below so you can try everything yourself. And before you go, I am proud to announce that we have just launched our community with a ton of guides at school.com. If you are interested in learning faster and being with like-minded people, this is definitely something worth checking out. We cover every worthy AI model, new workflow, and actually create things together. I hope to see you there, and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.